Customer service is the lifeblood of any company, where keeping clients happy means to establish relationships that go beyond the sale and maintain longevity. Tonight, we celebrate the outstanding performance of these hard-working individuals who go above and beyond their clients' and their company's expectations. Finalists include Scott Benson, Edgewater Development Corporation, Darius Billow Crawley, Ehrenberg Homes, Brittany Quinney, Edgewater Development Corporation, Danielle Hoyen, North Ridge Development Corporation. And the winner is... Congratulations, Darius Billow Crawley, Ehrenberg Homes. With over 12 years' experience, Darius Billow Crawley is an invaluable asset to Ehrenberg Homes and their clients. Darius's customer care efforts enhance Ehrenberg's reputation for quality service by providing clients with solutions that go beyond expectations. Darius is an expert problem solver, client relationship builder, and a collaborative communicator. He approaches each client interaction with empathy and attention, ensuring that clients feel their concerns are genuinely understood. This individualized care helps him identify the best solutions tailored to each situation and allows him to be highly impactful and engaged. Congratulations, Darius!